Can't afford for that. Hi, welcome to Arnold Fun Time, and today we're going to be doing the dry ice crystal ball experiment for Halloween.
Mom,
Now,
if someone did it and put their gloves on and touch it.
Yeah, do not touch the dry ice because it will burn your hands. You need gloves.
yeah, that's the only way to touch it safely.
So in the bowls, we're gonna have some warm water.
Then we're going to pick a color.
Pick the color of your choice. And we're gonna put a chunk of dry ice in the bowl. And then here's just a soapy liquid mixture.
You're going to use that to squeeze about a little bit of water, stretch it, and pull it over to make a bubble.
Yeah, in here is just water, dish detergent, and just some washcloth.
Yeah.
Okay? So let's get started.
Hey, go get the dry ice.
Okay, let's go get some water. We need some warm water.
Alright.
Here's the dry ice.
It looks like styrofoam. Woo! Tim, it's okay, Tim. Tim's terrified.
Don't go too deep. Don't go too deep.
Tim, is that cool?
Go Ethan, get the washcloth.
Okay. Let me get this one. I squeeze out a little bit of water. I've never seen dry ice in real life. I've only seen it in other YouTube videos. I got it!
Okay,
I got
okay,
it! I
wait,
got it! I got
just
it!
wait,
I got it!
just
I got
wait,
it!
just
I got
wait.
it! I got it!
Look at Ethan, look at Ethan!
Look
Look,
at
look,
it!
look, look,
Look at it!
That's the ball!
The smoke is all forming inside the bubble, making it glow. As you can the tip of mine. That's so cool.
Try it, Tay.
Mm-mm.
Ethan, you're getting it! Ethan!
It's bouncing!
Oh, Ethan got it!
The smoke or steam just starts going all inside. It goes all inside of the bubble.
And watch it pop later. Oh, you see that?
He's gonna pop some smoke.
There you go. There you go. Ah, Ethan, you touched it, right? With your elbow? Do it again. Try it again. Yeah, try it again.
Chill.
Yeah.
Look, I'm gonna do it.
Pop it.
I'm gonna do it with mine. Look, just wait. So let me pop yours.
No, pop it.
Come on.
See? It's jiggle. Ah, you pop it.
3, 2, 1. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Ah, it's stuck to me. Isn't it funny? It's Jello. We've made Jello. Ooh, guys, look. Ooh, yeah. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna see how far I can poke it.
Look at Aiden.
My finger's inside it. Don't. My home. No, yours doesn't have a ball. Oh, I see.
Oh,
the
gotta get
ice.
Aiden.
I see the ice. There it is. Look, I see an ice. Oh. See? It's stuck. My luck. Let's do it. Oh wow, it's right there.
It popped, Ethan. It just did. It popped.
Oh, I didn't get to see it.
Aiden is like he's cooking potion.
Aiden's bowl is freezing.
You can hear that?
Go get a spoon. Aiden is a witch. Can't afford for that. Now you can actually see everything because you don't actually need food coloring. You need a cloth. I need a cloth. It's warm. Go get the cloth. Squeeze a little bit. Now this we have to be very careful with. Because we don't want the cup to fall over.
I don't come over.
Bubbles coming, bubbles coming. There it is. It's like a little person.
I'll try.
Okay. There.
I made one.
Good job.
There you go.
My first time. Yeah.
Wait. I just did something that was really cool.
Oh,
Okay,
wait.
I have to wait for it to
put on
grow.
my
Just
pants.
wait. Wait for this. Wait, watch this. this. Oh, butter. Let it grow. Sweet.
Then you did 2 times.
Oh, and you got a little bubble stuck to it.
Can I do it?
It's like magic.
Tap it.
It's a bubble when you go right through it. It's like magic. So, anyways, if you like the video, please like, subscribe, share, comment down below if you've actually done this experiment, and hit the notification bell to know whenever we post a video. Goodbye!